everyone, we are the four creative minds representing our school SMK Bukit Mewah. First and foremost, let me introduce my team members. Myself, Nakshani Tanishwaran, Sadhana Prakash, Ranajian Tanishwaran, Sai Charan Surya, and our advisor for this competition, Juan Nora. Here, my co-members will explain more about our project in this video.
Hi everyone, my name is Sana Prakash and I am from SMK Bukit Mewah. Now I am going to be talking about the problem statement. First, students might get trouble to secure their belongings during the school day, leading a higher risk of stealing of valuable things such as textbook or personal belongings. Next, students may feel not comfortable or exposed carrying personal items with them all the time. They would prefer to keep it in a very secure place. Lastly, students can have a limited option of storing their belongings, resulting in a crowded classroom, hallways or common areas filled with bags and other items. Hi everyone, I am here standing here again to tell a strategy and conditions. Students need to have a locker in each every class. There are even more. Here it is.
Hello everyone, I'm Dana. My speech is going to be about 3D model. Our 3D model is about a locker. We have created a design that is suitable for every student and a multiple fusion locker that made by it using thick cardboard and mounting board. Now I'm going to talk about the list of items that we are going to use for the locker. Those are cardboard mounting board, hot glue stick, hot glue gun, newspaper, big tape, craft knife, water glue, doorknobs. I'm here again to talk about the cost of the items that we are going to use to do a locker. First, we got cardboard. One is to RM2, but we need 5, so it will be around RM10. Then we need mounting board, 87 ringgit 80 cent. For 2, hot glue stick cost RM9 ringgit 80 cent for 16 pieces. Craft knife RM6 ringgit 60 cent. Water glue RM8 ringgit and doorknobs which is RM16 ringgit 11 cents. This is the cost of items that we are going to use to buy. Thank you.